Good evening, everyone. My name is Parth Karatia, and I am student of Swaminarayan University and Coding Gita. So we are again back with new LeetCode problem, question number 1822 in the LeetCode, sign of the product of an array. So let's first move to the question. So implement a function, sign function of x that return 1 if x is positive, -1 if x is negative, 0 if x is equal to 0. We can see example, if input nums equal to -1, -2 and this is the array, output is 1. Explanation. The product of all values in the array is 144 and sign of function 144 equal to 1. That means if product is positive, then return 1. If product is negative, then return -1. If product is 0, return 0. So let's first do with a brute force approach. So we need to calculate product of the array of all elements. So first of all, we need a variable where we can store the product. So I can use long because we are using product. Long, let's take example, let's name it product equal to 1, because if we use 0, then 0 multiply anything will be the 0. Then for int x from the nums, product equal to product into x. Okay, so it will calculate multiplication of all element and store into the product variable. Now we have to check if the product is 1, then return 0. Return 1. If product is positive, then return 1. Okay, so if product is greater than 0, so return 1. Now for the 0, else if product sorry, my mistake. Else if product equal to 0, then return 0, and else return -1 because remaining is negative. Okay, so let's run it. This is the brute force approach. Test case pass, but there is a problem in long product. Using long it will cause the integer overflow. So let's try another approach. What we will do, we know that negative into negative becomes positive. So if my negative numbers are in the even number, so they all are cancel each other. So I don't need to calculate the product. If it is positive, it will be positive or negative. If these negative numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 negative numbers, this cancel this and this cancel this, that means there is all become positive in the after multiplication. So what I do, I will do int directly count negative numbers. Okay, count equal to 0. Okay, I need to return the output now, so I will count 0. Then for int x of nums, what will we do? If my x equal to 0, then return 0. Okay, if my x is less than 0, then count plus. If my x equal to 0, then it will return 0. If my x is less than 0, then it will count plus. Then if if count modulus 2 equal to 0, then return 1. Okay, and after this all, if nothing, then return -1. Let's test it. Okay, this is the real approach. Previous one was the brute force approach. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you.